How do you start a career in real estate? Hey guys, it's John Walker with the Walker Group and Keller Williams Realty. People ask us like, hey, how do I get started? You know, how do I become a realtor, or should I become a realtor? We want to do a video to explain that process. The first thing that I would recommend doing before you do anything, before you spend any money, is talk to a producing agent. There's a lot of realtors out there, but make sure you talk to somebody that is in production, that are closing deals, so that they can paint a picture of what being a real estate agent is like. You know, what is the day-to-day process? You know, what can you expect as a licensed real estate agent? The next thing is understand what the investment is, right? There's going to be an investment of money that you have to make. Generally speaking, that's going to be somewhere between $1,000 to $1,500. And that's going to vary depending on a lot of different factors, but somewhere around that price. The next thing that you need to do is go online and start a real estate pre-licensing course. There's a lot of different companies that offer them online, and we can make some recommendations. Once you do that, you're going to then take the test, and you're going to pass the test to become a licensed real estate agent. The last thing that you have to do is pick a brokerage. You have 90 days after you pass the test to pick a brokerage. And of course, we can sit down and explain to you what Keller Williams Realty has to offer. And you may decide to join us, or you may decide to go interview other brokerages as well. We just want to be here to guide you along on the process and make sure that you are setting yourself up for success. There's a lot of brokerages out there that can take on new agents, but they don't really have the training and the protocol set up to make sure that you are ready for success. At Keller Williams Realty, we pride ourselves on our training. We pride ourselves on our onboarding process to make sure that new agents are prepared and feel comfortable within their new career. So if you have any questions about this, we can sit down, we can talk about how to get started. My number is 318-794-6769, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.